Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you what I did with some basil. So 1 week ago, I took a little trimming off one of my basil plants and put it into water, nothing else, just plain tap water, and check out the massive roots on this thing. Unbelievable. Can you see that? Look at that. I don't think I've had roots that big on basil before. There, that's better now. You can really see it. Check that out. And that there, I need to get that into some soil. But before I did, I wanted to show you what this looks like. So this is how you can get free basil plants from one of your basil plants that you already have sitting in the garden, or if you bought one at the store, you just take a little snipping and you start it off like that, and then you plant it. But look at that, pretty amazing. So that's it, just a really fun video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.